Hey, so it is the beginning of February. It's not the beginning, it's the 19th of February. We were up in St. Augustine a couple weeks ago. I met with my friend Jeff Cohen, who owns Pirate Lights, and picked up samples of both the Parrot, which we're going to unbox today, and also the full-blown system. The Parrot we're going to install as currently we are in West Palm Beach headed to the Florida Keys, and I'd like to have the system set up, at least the basic system set up on the boat for when we're down there. And then we're going to go over to Bimini and meet up with Jeff and do an install on the complete, more elaborate system. But this will get us started. I was speaking with Hendrix this morning and was saying, geez, I think I'll shave this morning. She said, but aren't you going to do the Pirate Lights video? And so, no. So for those of you who follow my videos, I'm an occasional shaver. But today was not the day to do it. So, here we go. The Parrot is the smaller of the two systems. It is a fully self-contained unit. We'll go through how we're going to do the install and all for it. So as we're unboxing here, we are going to basically pull the whole thing out in one fell swoop. So the only thing that we have separate is the key fob and the on-off switch. So let's take those and clip them off, and without cutting our wire with luck. But anyway, this is the unit as we see it. It's got the sensor down below, the high intensity lights, and the siren. It sets up with a clip under here. Jeff uses a Mantis rail clip on it. These are great clips. So we're going to go up. We're going to figure out where this is best going to go up under the Bimini section in the back and do the install. Okay.